Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make money on GoTranscript. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and search for GoTranscript. Click on the official website, and if you don't already have an account, click Sign Up. Next, enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. Once you've filled in your details, complete the registration process. After creating your account, you'll need to take GoTranscript's transcription test. Listen carefully to the audio clips and follow the instructions, as the test evaluates your listening skills, typing speed, grammar, and transcription accuracy. If you pass the test, your account will be approved and you'll gain access to your workspace. From there, browse the list of available transcription jobs and choose one that matches your experience. Complete the transcription accurately, review your work for any mistakes, and submit it before the deadline. Once your work has been reviewed and approved, your earnings will be added to your account balance. After you've completed approved jobs and met the platform's payment requirements, you can withdraw your earnings using the available payout method. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make money on GoTranscript. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.